How to turn off caller ID on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off caller ID on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, scroll down. And after you scroll down, there you will need to find the phone app. If you don't find it, head over to the apps section right here and then find phone. So there we go, there it is. Open it up. After you open up your phone app, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, there you should find an option called your caller ID. There you should see an option that basically says show caller ID. Now, if you don't find it, that might be because you don't have caller ID on your iPhone. So just tap on show my caller ID and you will be able to turn the button off. You can simply toggle the button off, and after you toggle the button on, your problem is fixed, and that's how you turn off caller ID on iPhone. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.